Hello everyone, Gurpreet here from IELTS LMS. This video is going to save you a ton of time and resources and give you an extra edge in your business. If you are a trainer and are selling courses online, you need landing pages for everything: to promote your brand, to elaborate on your services, to run the marketing ads, to guide your audience, and a lot more. And to keep your business running, you have to experiment with new things, new designs and trends, and new content on a regular basis. And for that, it's crucial to update your existing website and pages. And for that, you are dependent on website developer and designers. And this is where things slow down, but not anymore. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build a professional looking website page in literally 5 minutes. You don't need a developer or any paid tools. The only thing you require is your WordPress website. Sounds exciting, right? Let's see how to do that. Before we start designing the website, we gotta do two things. First, go to your website and log in as admin. So if you have a login option on your website, that's alright. Otherwise, you can enter /wp-admin after your website URL and click enter. It will open the login screen of your WordPress dashboard. Now enter your admin username and password and click on login. And now we are in WordPress dashboard. Secondly, we need two free plugins to design the website. So for that, go to your plugin section and click on add new. So we are going to use a page builder, Elementor. It's a free plugin and it's already been used by 5 million plus people. Click on install and activate it. It will take a second. After that, click on activate. The same way, add another plugin, which is starter kit. Click on install. It will take few seconds. And now click on activate. Alright, now we are ready to build a website. It has ton of inbuilt website designs which you can use, but we are going to design a landing page from scratch. So I'm going to exit the dashboard. To create a new page, hover over your pages section and click on add new. So I'm going to give my page a name, a new home page. You can add your title, maybe about us, contact us, or any page for the marketing, and click on edit with Elementor. This will open the page designing editor for us. Once the editor is open, you will see left panel which has few widgets we can drag onto our Elementor area, and in the middle we have a page section where we can design or drag the widgets to build our website. Let's start designing our first section. For that, click on the third icon, which is starter template kit. Now this plugin gives you a lot of inbuilt pages and sections that we are going to use to build our website. And on the left side, there are section names. So if you want to create feature section or call to action section, service section, there are a lot of inbuilt pre-made design templates which we can insert and edit very easily. So I'm going to design a one home page, and for that, firstly I'm going to insert the first hero section. So you can choose which section you want to insert for your website. So I like this one, so click on this section. You can preview this section before adding it onto the page, and then click import block. This will import this section on your page immediately, and then we can edit these elements. Now when you click on this element, on the left panel there will be three columns. First is content, second one is style, third one is advanced. We won't use advanced section. We will only use the content column to edit the content. So I want to write here practice IELTS or study IELTS with Gurpreet. And then if you want to change the color, there is a style option, and in the text color you can choose the color that you want to use. So I'm going to stay with the default one, which is white. To change the title in the buttons, click on the button element, and left side again, similar to heading, we can change the text here. I'm going to change it to explore courses. In call to action, I'm going to write take free mock test. Now these buttons will be linked to a new page, separate page, and at the bottom below the text there is the link option. So if you want to take user to another page, you can insert the link here of your courses and of your free IELTS LMS mock test. Okay, and same way you can edit this section, 100 plus happy students, and at the bottom there is a last video element, and you can insert the YouTube video URL and change this thumbnail. For that we have image overlay option, so I'm going to choose another picture. So you can upload a new picture, or you can choose something from your library. So I'm going to use this picture for my hero section. If you want to add more elements here, want to change the color, you can easily do it from the style. So I'm going to go to the style section and going to change the color of my button. So you can click on this color icon and use the color picker to choose the color. Alright, so my hero section is ready. Below the hero section, I'm going to add the statistics of my company. So here there is a statistic option. So there are a lot of options that you can choose from. I'm going to use this simple one. So we can change the icon, text and the description. So to change the icon, click on this icon library and choose or search from the icon library. So it has free 100 mock tests. So if you have other PDF services or courses, you can add that here. Here you can add about the number of students you have, or maybe the number of trainers you have. Happy students. And below the statistic option, we need a section wherein I can mention something about myself. So I'm going to use about me section here. So this is about me. Let's see which one will fit for my need. I think this is good. It has a picture. I can insert my picture here and change the heading and the description, add my social icons and the signature. So I'm going to import this section. Yeah, looks good. So change the description and the image, so and the social icons. So click on social icons and we have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. So very easily you can insert the URL link of your social handles, and that's it. Change the picture, click on picture. On the right side you can also see the size of this picture. So this picture dimensions are 500 to 64 pixel, and then click on insert. Okay, let's preview the page. Everything is looking fine till now. Below that, let's list our services section, and for that I'm going to use the service section, and there are some sections, all are pretty good. I'm going to use this one though. So here I'm going to change the picture of my service and mention the name of my service. So I offer, let's say, one-to-one coaching, or maybe the group coaching. So you can list all of your services here. And third, I'm going to add, let's say, paid mock tests, which I can link to IELTS LMS. And the fourth one, maybe evaluation service. To change the picture, just click on this image element and insert your picture here. So let's say we want to use this one to display one-to-one coaching. Yeah, looks good though. And here we can change the title and the subheading too. Change the heading and the title. Now below that we will add a testimonial section. So there are a lot of designs we can choose from. So I'm going to use this first one and click on import block. So we have a testimonial section ready. You can simply add this text, name and the picture of the person from the left side. And at the last we are going to add call to action. If someone wants to contact us or want to book a meeting, so there's a call to action design. And for this I'm going to use this one with the dark color. Click on import, and here you can change the heading to book a free demo, and here in the button I'm going to change it to contact us or book a meeting. We can choose the color, default color, or we can use a color picker. So this is how you can build a landing page with inbuilt templates. So there are a lot of designs you can explore. Now after previewing the page, click on publish. Now a page is ready. You can have a look at the page. So this looks really good, really professional, and we did it using free tools and free plugins. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get updates of our upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video.